Socheng education block ke paro jirigin denga hawara long LP school athan bang tum sai ka cheklem bang visi ke ong. Hanjang lang so horker apurwa long kang hulu chok. Cartoon suri sirap haro phoso se hot kang hu. Students and Youth Council Borjan Constituency Committee are pukachalar. Cardom News Time along penili Vilarbon Kropi non biotang ton pen arjoitha Socheng education block ke parloang kang jurigendeng hawara long pen an LP school than bangatum chedo de mate methanga sai jiklem khlepusin nor hejong card news along biotang pali Medical asaikhia to measles rubella campaign ke dam penang ana school along than bangatum sai ka cheklem clear jaw school hemalong dam nak ti pusi ke thekdon long arat tum pen pachini athe measles rubella campaign la ke LP school ke to ana long so sumara tum phan ka humri dam Karbi Anglong, Ronggrup Arlo LP School ke doan along, Inglong Arlok along ta measles rubella ang prim kipidam Japan humridam. Sitami labang suang prim kipidam Japan kacheleng atawar kawi penajaw gari motor kedamon iadim akeng pen kedam nang lapen Arleng Arlok. Arlupon si adim an palidam nang rentilo. Anparta hadak thanbang atum adim kachido de lapen mobile network takawe det ajok. Thanbang atum pen kachingki kachathan long le joini adim along dam pajoy. Asosi mande tipota ke thekdun long arat tupen pherang ke phan than pachini. Lasi, la soteng polote, Socheng education block ang kang ke do josemet penjurikin deng hawar LP school along penaan athan bang atum ke school hemalong amarsi chedam bang ve. Along itum kilong chikloi jon abai nong pen sika suri hini ke thom an bak rong along ke doari so inut bang aphan PC lo pathana sai paklem busi biota long tun. Bokajan subdivision ke parlo hanjang solong ke do horker ar polong pai pa inkoranier ke ani kang hulu chokpasi bojan pen katni sa pherang ke phan biota pachini
Hanjang langso industries asai hemalong Arunachal Pradesh a horker ki biadim mate apuru a hemalong kang hulu chok amat horker carton farukre phosose ihu pondet pusi access asai campaign pachini horker kang hu alampet bangchok aphan nepsi bokajan thana karju hor padobomlu puta nilituma pherang ke pen bilta long thu
Students and Youth Council Bokajan District Committee pen hanjang lang so sa hemalong pai ni phai inkoranier kep ani mai padopusi Students and Youth Council Borjan Constituency Committee arpu kachalara mai ke padopon Students and Youth Council Bokajan District Committee amai phu kachip hem phu pon amai along mai ke phalam the chunbang Robinson terang pen siklarda alam the than pachini ponlo Milo Alhuyaman pen HSDC Kong Chunbang Laichon Ingling HSDC Bokajan District Committee Amaipu Anthony Kathar SYC CWC Dun Maipi Mira BP SYC CWC Trapkong Chunbang Jirjar Kathar Atuk Chetong Dun Mylong Chedon Sarpen President Thengtong Tisu Vice President Mami Ingtipi Secretary Hemsing Tisu Assistant Secretary Mongol Ronghang Financial Secretary Raju Ingti Organizing Secretary Sar Imbe Publicity Secretary Deben Tibung Cultural Secretary Libon BP Homika Tisu Philippine Office Secretary Sonjoy Krotumaphan Arpu Pekponlo Namalam sopor phan birtamo into paniksina Please step in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008. Claret Beauty Parlor. Folong kichengsi so pinso la pen swarlo phan ki pamara dim. Prabjin pen ingpu ponpu. Kangpu ponji lake pai pai chikluni phai ingora ner cap arni. Ladak nang litum long ikji lake facial, hair spa, hair straightening, hair cutting, shaving, hair curly, tattoo, body spa, pedicure, lapet, medicare, hayu henlo. Claret Beauty Parlor, Difu Main Market Road, Bharati Lodge near Iron Bridge. everyone, come on. Grand opening of Bazaar, India. A shopping mall consisting of various quality of gents wear, ladies wear, kids wear, and tremendous quality of household items, accessories, etc. Difu Main Market, Old LIC Building, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Looking for your needs? Visit Bazaar, India. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason selam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihera mo phipothar birtalong bangthulong langlok so ratum pini arnia ta ongdunga kisung jurut elang langlok so hawaralong pini arnia ta kaching thuramo kedeng pon kavya jok ratum pen ana kisung chingtang nanglo lason si pai pai ni phai inkora troksi ani arun hansia sopo sarong bihanse kisopen chewoi juilo langlok so hansikri arong ami thanga hem an githitang arpum kachipon bomahut langlok so towar inglong adagalong ambulance singthang lok pen an kasik sak chetong nang rintilo lasi lahaya kisung kachetong nang apothak langlok so rat atum pen autonomous council a CM EM la pen MLA atum kopia these RD KN edet mapusi kaning je pon padu Karbi Anglong autonomous council CM tuliram rong hang Karbi Anglong arat phanching honduk polote langlok so hawar along rong thom kebra hini so se arat kachelenga towar tong se kot pen Langdam igra towar kislam pen kapaklem japan sodak pen chuning ripon pusi pachini Ingkora trok ang deng zonal Karbi Youth Festival suri hinirak trainer kepa farman Dwar baguri KSA zonal amai penta tirikam mai seng si chusik chadang pon bom tanglo
Ingkora trok ang deng Jonal Karbi Youth Festival suri hinirak trainer kep anikan aparman paipa ingkora nar kep arni tirikam amai seng si dwar baguri KSS Junel amai tumpen preyachik lo aphan chisik chidang pon tirikam amai kiseng along KSS tirikam amai dunmai phumati EM barim hom sing pe Karbi Student Union atum che tongtun Junal Karbi Riso Nimso arong aje katolon mesen pen kepacun jiapan bang pu angbong ar pucepek
Biota bang kila pans kang ton boniglo domit thakmi kurang thu